Da 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 da. Testing. Oh my god. Excellent connection. But I don't see anything. I think oh yes. What is that? It still has old logo of. Originally this was Boom Corp channel. I need to fix that. Some other day, probably. Close. New day. It's Friday, right? Yeah. I had Friday Hangout. Okay, cool, thanks. Thanks, Wolfram. Yeah, this is like last stream was supposed to be here as well, but we needed to wait like approval of YouTube because this channel had never streamed before, so then we switched back to its Mika here. But Cosmic Circus, it's like more free space for exploring. Like the game is also gonna be in the Cosmic Cosmic Circus. Circle would be a cool name as well. Yes, thanks Wolfram. Nice. So I assume that the audio is working well. I'm gonna finish what I had writing just before. So, yeah, Wolfram, you were last week, so we're gonna open a Doom of Boom again. But this time I'm gonna open it from Unity Editor, and yeah, sure, you can do it. Thanks for doing all the pinging stuff. I think we should also maybe someday have a bot or something that pings whenever like different streams go live. So there would not be this much hassle maybe in the start. Even though we are not in a hurry. Like I have prepared time until 18 from this clock. I don't know which time frame it's where. It's live.
Hello.
I figured I could share like what's going on in the world, or not in the world, but Nordic Game Conference, because that's where most people are from the studio. I think I should. Do you think Twitter feed might be the easiest feed to find stuff? Oh, but I need to log in. I'm not logged in. I guess I would need to log in into any service where I would go and check out like hashtag share stuff. This only leads me to like the, well, this is a site as well. I'm bored already for this, maybe I just take a sneak peek. And yeah, this is where most of the studio are currently in Sweden, Malmö, in this Nordic Game Conference, which for a long time has been this game development conference in Nordic countries. I assume, or I've been seeing most people coming from like Europe in there Finland, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, UK, Germany. Yeah. At least some. But well, I'm not gonna show this if the side is down. Okay, yeah. Online and Slaghuset in Malmö. Okay, so they had an online version, but that's how much I was interested. If I go live. Online, no thank you. Reject all, of course. I'm not giving you anything. Or they can still take things without my knowledge. There's always something forced. You cannot interact without leaving a trace. There's also Nordic Game Awards. And I think that it's already ended. Like it ended on 20th. So that's... oh, that's today. So there's still something happening today. But I'm sure like Kiri sent me a picture of the award sessions at least. And I should take these as something. I think games that get the awards are like games that you should maybe check out, or I should check out. Well, not all of them, but one thing that kind of has intrigued me is that It Takes Two and Valheim both have these kind of features that interest me as developer and a player, so it would make sense to take them, check them out. Let's see, have we anyone else here? Doesn't exist. Okay. Oh, I played the first Stanley Parable, but I don't know how many times it has it been up, or it has been updated, or are the different things that I heard about Stanley Parable, are they new games already, or are they just like additions to the first one? But I played it once, some version. Where do I find? Yes. Okay, Chibi Seidan. Woo! I'm trying to have the comments visible from YouTube and from Discord. Okay, this I learned last time, or I knew that this was possible. Yeah, got it. Okay, the remastered Stanley Parable. Cool. I remember that I liked the first Stanley Parable when it came. But do I have that kind of time or that kind of a gaming computer anymore? I don't know. Record it live here. Am I gonna go watch stream in a stream? Oh. Is this already it? I guess so. Cool, okay. I didn't know that they had open live stream. This is actually pretty nice. It's inclusive, and I hope, or I know that they get monetized, or they at least collect money with tickets. And the tickets are worthy as well, or they have like the event itself is people meeting each other, which is the fun, and also this kind of an knowledge speaker program. The speakers have like come to share from like some subjects, usually like 1 hour per speak of something that they like have a share. Most probably game related, since game comes. Okay, Christopher was there, nice. Shout out, even though it's kind of late since it already happened. And you can see companies as well over there, like game companies that you're some way interested. If there are companies that have been alive for a long time, then people, of course, on different time frames. Cool, but tons of cool people, cool stuff, cool event. Okay, did I say when I'm gonna start the debugging, or we can even start it But that's gonna be the only thing I have like planned for. After that, it's, well, the stream is gonna be open until 6. That's all I promised. Friday Hangout. Hey, I can add the stream link here as well. Edit event. Do I still have it in copy paste? Nope. Let's find it. Share. Copy. Close. Next. Oh yeah, now. Save event. Okay, now the link is there. Now I can even... Oh, no. Oh, can I wonder which should I share? I'm good at this. I think I should maybe check. I don't know if Kiri is where, but I'm gonna ping them at least. I don't want to share my private chat, so let's get the stream. Only cam. This is best. And remind me if I forget this on, that I bring the screen back when I'm done. Okay, I just said stream notification and pasted the link. Back to Boomslingers. I could ping Giseli as well. I'm gonna do that. Yes. And Skene 22. Scene 22. That's the one. Is the audio okay? No one has pinged anything about it, so I assume it's all pretty good. Check news server. What? It's was for who from, but I want to check the news as well. Where do we have the news? We don't have news server. We have only server announcements. Ah, yes. Okay, it's here. How did these megaphones work? Or is it just, can I like subscribe to some channels in Boomsling or in Discord servers? TikTok, we could watch TikTok as well. I know Sarah makes a lot of content that there was even one video that I didn't watch because I wanted to make a reaction video. It's old video already. It was the video they made with Jermo where they were drawing Boomslingers characters, and I really want to watch that video and maybe see if I'm gonna draw with them or something. I don't know. So that's the thing we can do. Hey, you know that these are modding channels. I don't think Ranger meant them. Can I just check them? I don't know. Stealth roll. I don't remember. Or, yeah, I don't know how that worked. Welcomes. So people are joining Discord daily. Yeah, cool. I don't know what people expect when they join Discord. In games, I guess, to meet more fans of that game. I guess that's the point. And then all the fun community stuff, where we can, yeah, kind of like meet each other or see. Play of the games, of course, we can share from the games. Teams and sips. Fan art. Do we still have, yeah, player reports as well. Good channels, all of them. Oh. It's a frog forest, or froggo-ness. Cool. This is one of my favorite characters as well. I know it's made by Kiri, and these are not the first frogs Kiri has made. Kiri makes a lot of like different kind of frogs, and this is also not the first frog game. And Boomslingers is not a frog game. We got plenty of other stuff there as well. But I guess I could share the frog game by me and Kiri somewhere in some format someday. But it's an old one. It's not. I don't think it's something you're gonna get to play unless we would do some remake of something. 16, 17. Being here, if you are here. I want to see how many we have in YouTube chat, or if this works, and if you are available. Thanks, Sal Shipapa. If the names are hard, I might just take like first letters, or maybe go with numbers or stuff like that, if I refer them something. And you have the stream open, you know what I'm talking about most of the time, hopefully. if I need that. More Stanley Parable stuff. Thanks for the shares. Doesn't exist. Yeah. Yeah, Stanley Parable now, yeah, it was a whole troll game. I guess that was the point of the game. It was just trolling you. And Stanley Parable is not the only game that is kind of like a troll game. Cool troll games are, they were web-based. Well, there's the platformer game that it's insanely impossible, or it always like tricks you in some way, and you kind of need to like forcefully get through it. And then there was another Flash game where you were searching the game inside the game. That was more point and click, and Stanley Parable being the same concept but in first person and in really good quality. Or I like the story voice. I think I was amazed by that, and like it held it all together. After that, like just having the fun stuff built around you, it was, yeah, exciting. So yeah, thanks again for reminding me. Or game recommendations are fun, even though I don't know if I'm ever gonna have the time. And a lot of the game content I actually enjoy through a third party, watching maybe someone else play it or share stuff from the game. Because so many games, no one can play all the games. Limited time. Okay, let's see if I'm gonna find the Doom of Boom. So, Doom of Boom, you need to go get an update. I think I made an update at some day. Doom of the Boom. Are these the first things that I get? Oh my god. Okay. Give me Google Play. Well, it's in open beta. I still figured that I would find it through Google, but no, okay. I might need to add more stuff. Or get the link from... If someone has the link, hey AM, hopefully this time we get more players. If someone has the link for Doom of Boom, please share the link in. But I'm gonna try to find it as well through whatever means I have available. I'm gonna just go to Google Play Store and search inside the Google Play. This should for sure give me yes, here it is. Oops. Early access, and I guess Google takes this as, since we are tagged it as early access, that it's also not promoting it in searches that much. Thanks whoever made all these cool things. I don't know how to make these emotes, but I know only thing I know that all the devs should have access to Cosmic Circus, and people who've been editing this project are probably Giseli. But that, I mean, cool if Giseli made them, but I think I heard Giseli being amazed by these as well and maybe asking if I did, but I didn't, so. But only way to know what's inside this game is to open it. But this time I'm not gonna use my phone. I'm actually gonna open the project and host from there. So I'm gonna see all the debug stuff. Because as we saw from the last time, there's always some mysteries to solve, and the game is not that open that you could just from the game like fix the settings screen in the game that has some like tweaks that you can do, but not real debugging yet or building. That's the game. Yeah. Wait, what did you say? It's been waiting. Yeah, 2021 version. So I'm gonna pick 20. I don't know if I'm more recent or later, but anyway, as long as the first year of my Unity version matches, I think it's gonna be pretty fine. Yes. I thought you already had access. Sure. I'm not sure if the game will work for me, but I'll try. Nice. Thanks, Wolfram. And I guess it might take a while for me. Yeah, maybe it was so that I only downloaded this from Git last time to this computer, but I didn't open it in Unity yet. So first time opening any project, Unity is gonna do some stuff before it's ready, especially with the slight version change it needs to do. Updates. Yeah, that I don't need. But while that is opening, I'm gonna get the screen from Discord as well, just so we have pings from all the directions. Agree with Foxtrot. We can do more game shoutouts. We have already given a shoutout to the Stanley Parable, all the award nominees of the Nordic game, at least It Takes Two, and what was the other one? Already forgot it. Well, such a good endorsement. Yay. Live. Hey, I also remembered the link I was supposed to share. This one. So here you go. Links for everyone. Quick, pretend I'm funny. Good job, and nice to have you here. Is art? No, yeah, art is. That's nice. Or I assume that all of the people don't have same like usernames in Discord and in YouTube. In YouTube, I have like multiple channels as well, depending on what content I look at, because YouTube makes the feed algorithms, and sometimes it's beneficial like to use one algorithm for like more work stuff or for fixing stuff, and then like keep that separate from maybe more entertainment features maybe. So you can get these different kind of like rhythmical feeds. And the YouTube algorithm is quite lively, so it's always updating as well. Or it knows if I watch like some farm videos, it's gonna, of course, right after that give me more, maybe farm related, and maybe day after that or some day after that remind me like, am I still in the farm stuff? But then it will also like, kind of forget. I could also share you, there's a site that you can use where you can ask Google like what kind of tags it gives you related to these, maybe at least to these sponsored feeds or ad feeds. Ad space feeds are at least sold based on those tags. Getting my VPN ready. I know this time I think it's gonna work without VPN. That's hopefully the magic. Yes, I have the Unity open because I made an update that fixed the issue of the last time, that we should all be now like going to the one server. I didn't add the option to change the server, like in what you have in Among Us, where you can choose a region, because every region has some like hosts for almost all the like online services that you could use. We are using Fodon, so they have like service in each region, and it can be quite easy to just change. Okay, some of the game. Black screen. Oh, black screen. Interesting. Who from, if you're listening, at which point do you get the black screen? And if you close the app like completely through like opening using home button or something and open it again, do you get anything? Or you should get the first screen. I'm gonna go to first screen as well. Wait, this is not the, or this is correct. Oh yeah, but it's looking weird. I'm gonna change the layout to original 2x3. Now I have the project settings here. Get the ski scene. I guess it's the game scene. Yes. And one of the challenges of this game was also to make a platform that would be playable on PC and a mobile phone. Well, use this host. Okay, I got in. That's the code, guys. Gexo. I know it's the best. Of course, right now I'm using mouse for mobile controls, so I'm making this kind of mixed debug. I don't know. Yeah, we haven't assigned keyboard assignment, but we should do that as well. So I kind of like how Among Us has like been able to reach this, that they have really solid mobile and the desktop experience. But wait, no, I think this is it. Is anyone gonna make it? Game doesn't exist. No, Art, try update. Update. Open Google. It should work after update, please. Can I also, let me check the link. What's new? Fix for the connection issue. Yeah, it at least knows that there's been update, and I made the update. What about who from? Okay, somehow. Yeah, is there anything good that? Oh, okay, interesting. So who from is playing through BlueStacks? It might be. Definitely. And I'm gonna download BlueStacks just to see this. Who from? Do you play different games, or do you actually play games from Gexo? How do I make this so that I get everything on the screen at the same time? Do you actually use BlueStack for gaming, for real like game experiences, not just like? I've been using it just to maybe debug or see that, oh cool, something works. But I always figured that like mobile screen experience is still so different from what you would want in. I can't get. So you mean you cannot download Doom of Boom? Okay, so you are not access to like Google Play at all. Is that it? Bring me on or ping me on that if that's the problem that you cannot get into Google Play. Because yeah, it makes sense. I've been wondering like should we make also like pirate builds? And I know that there's a community that is able to rip from Google Play, and since they've been doing it, I figured I don't need to. And of course, like this, in general, that community also makes the hacked or modded versions of the game, but I haven't actually checked them out to see what kind of they are. I know like some famous examples from what they have made for class games, maybe some talks or presentations, but I haven't even experienced those either as well. We're playing games or something? Well, at least Doom of Boom, hopefully. Do we have anyone else? No. So I guess there's still some connection issue. Wildlife. Okay. I'm gonna set the screen hidden for a while because I'm gonna check some server settings, and there's some keys that I don't want to reveal in stream. So remind me again if I forget this on. Haha! I found it. I'm not currently. Oh yeah, I have the wrong build. Oh my god, that's why it's not working. I need to update. Oh, yeah. I made the changes on my own computer, so when yeah. Okay, let's get this back. I'm gonna bring you in. Let's open. I think I'm using Git desktop in this computer. And yes. Am I in Doom of Boom? How do I pull with this? Like the real developers, or the not real developers. Everyone's a real developer, but there's people who make these Git things from command line. But I use UI interfaces, except Git desktop I haven't used. I actually use source tree on my own computer. But the Git desktop should be a good brand as well. So hey, pulling completed. Yeah, these are the procedures. I want to see the history view. Where can I see that? There, history. Now it is. Made new store build. Oh my god, I hope. I shouldn't open Git. I don't think I shared anything, but I realized that also in Git, because it shows the Go changes, and if I'm changing ID numbers that I don't want to share, I should maybe not do that. Okay, nice. Let's reload the scene. Let's start the game again. I'm gonna make a new room, a new code, and let's see how it goes. This I don't need. This maybe slightly bigger. Actually, I'm gonna say make it. No, this is enough screen space, hopefully. So many tabs. Yeah, you got so many like applications open and so many tabs at the same time. Okay, whoa, Chibi said it was fast. Okay, you came through the random, I suppose. Cool. Here we go. EEBG. That is the code. Oh no! What happened? I was kicked out? What? Most new. Or for some reason I lost connection. Maybe it was that. So I need to add debugs for that, not just throw me away. See how it goes. Is it working? Or maybe we just don't have anyone to test right now. I'm gonna keep it open. See if anyone joins or pings that it's not working. Hey, Art made it. Cool. Woo. Only options are currently this. Oh, hey, we got an error. So this is the debugging fun part. So where did the error come from? Object reference not matching. So let's go fix this one. Or first see what was the reason for it. And I usually have error pause on that it stops the game right away, because whenever error occurs, whatever happens after that, the code is not reliable anymore. So if there's another error after one, like null ref error, for example, like I'm not convinced that other stuff. That okay, Art is already picking a character. Nice. And Chibi Satan got Chibi. Okay, but you have played this before. you played the game to get your Chibi Satan character. Hey, triangle, nice. I'm gonna go with blob. Blob. I don't have the sound on. Or do I? Whoa, it's at 100%. Is it from the TV? No, is it from the Unity? No? Is it from my audio source? Maybe. It is stereo. What? That's not a speaker, that's a microphone. Okay, but I don't have audio. Such is life. Hey AM! Woo! So many people make it. But yeah, let's go first, errors first. So when I get this fixed, then I'm maybe willing to check how far we go. It's not taking me to the right place, so I need to check the code. So the line 132 in character animation controller. 132. Usually just taking new avatar skin assigned. Aha! So it came from when someone was trying to change their avatar skin. But what reference was missing? Was it the reference to the character renderer or the reference to the my player components? Or the idle sprite, which like, there's so many things that I can actually null check at that point. Can I read the debug? Oh, it was first 44. It came through player properties. Okay, so maybe the error came from someone joined the room and the room tried to assign their avatar. Maybe. I need to understand my bug first, and after that I will. Good luck. Thanks, Art. After that I will move on. For debugging, I can also, before this one, I can make some debug logs that's gonna give me more insight to what happened here. So I'm gonna be asking, are these null? Basically just getting a debug log and then give me can I just convert that to string? Is that okay? Well, it doesn't give me errors. And I assume it might be null if it's null. At least if this code runs and I run it in Unity, maybe that's the thing that is null. But the weird thing is that the error occurred only once. Hey, can someone go out and get back into the game? Can everyone do that? This guy gets Snowy, you get Snowy, cool. Because I want to see the error happening again. I have the debugs for like, okay, player joined and players joined no. Okay, and actually, yeah, from here, Art already pinged it before. Yeah, it was after player joined art, but I want to see it again happening, and same with civi setting. So I assume it would mean that players who have already assigned their character produce an error when they come into the room again. Yep, that's right, we got it. Thanks, art. That's what happened. The good thing is that still I get to see Art's character, so we are not getting any gameplay bug with this null-ref error. So I could maybe just fix this issue by making null checks over there and be fine with it. But before doing that, I kind of still would like to understand the issue. So I'm gonna add the rest of my debug codes, and then you might need to join again, and I'm gonna see what kind of messages I see after that. And there's gonna be a lot of spam, because after that, anytime anyone is calling the new avatar skin assigned, or the game is calling this, it's gonna give me all these debug lines for character render, and see if I get like any kind of results. But yeah, I figured this might be the reason as well, that it's that one. And it also could be that the sprite is giving me null ref, so I'm gonna give it these are the different options that can be null refing in this line, basically. So this might give me an additional insight. Let's save it. And yeah, I need to stop the game to make the changes take place. Did it happen already? Okay, now I'm getting the errors from the lines. Okay, so it doesn't allow me to do this kind of to-string. Can I ask? Or can I ask its name? Probably not, but I'm gonna try. And I assume it would also like give me this red highlight in code editor, but no, it's just giving me the errors in Unity side. Oh, maybe here as well. But can I just ask your name as well?
I think you have typo in the to-string. It's uppercase.
Oh, it was just that. Nice, and good to have you here. This is like code review in live. Let's see. Yeah, you're right. I'm not getting any like the autofill option, so I need to debug that as well. So this is the first time using Unity editor. So let's actually, sorry, I'm gonna check my project settings, or is it build settings? Or is it player settings? So many settings. It's project settings. No. Also, I use Mac when I develop, so there are always some things slightly in different places. But it was preferences that I was looking for, and inside preferences I'm looking for external tools, and yep, that's right, it's not assigned as Visual Studio. So after assigning this, and that also makes sense, because I was pressing the errors, and usually they should take me to the actual line where the error is happening, and it wasn't. So after that it maybe should. Let's see, at least it's opening Visual Studio. Of course I'll allow welcome in. Yeah, at least I'm in the same line. And I'm getting the autofill options, so yeah, this would have saved me as well, because in code it's important, every syntax. But for this it's not giving me the option for it. Please, can I just still do it? No. Oh. Yep, that's right. Now we are on. Yes. Beautiful. I'm gonna clear the console, run the game again. and host new room. And here we got the room code, SZBP. And it's gonna go to YouTube chat when I get there. Where was the YouTube chat? There it is. That's the new code. Okay, Art got in, and hey, let's see. Now we got the debugs. Okay, after Art joined, we got we got first debug logs. So this wasn't null, but then we got a null one. And let's see. And hey, the strings are actually they're giving me additional insight. It's giving me like character renderer, it's in game, its name, it converted the string is graphic. And this 9135, so it's player components that is null. Character animation controller. So let's see where the player controls are assigned and then wonder why it was null at that point. And in here it says that they are assigned in start. And that's where I'm getting the issue. So I'm gonna fix this by actually using serialize field and assign it in Unity editor. So it's already assigned before anything. That's like the very first assignment for anything. And I know this script is part of the game, the player. I could also try and fix this with onEnable, because onEnable is function that runs before the start, and maybe I can trust this to give me the or awake. You're right. Why wouldn't I do awake? Because on enable I'm risking the chance that if the object is disabled and then re-enabled, it's always running the on enable again and again. But this is something I need to run only once, so awake makes most sense. Samuli, do you remember who was the person from Discord? I remember you doing game dev with someone, in the last office.
I don't remember it.
Okay. I wish he will make a shout out someday because that was cool. And we are kind of doing like same kind of stuff. Okay, so I made the changes. I'm gonna run the game again, and well, this is now something that is risky because you are not getting the changes, or the changes happen only on my computer. So now after this time I will probably not be getting the null ref error, and you will be getting the error, and we will be just hoping that the error doesn't just break anything. Okay, let's try it. I think it's saved. Tää on nyt ensimmäinen kerta, kun Doom of Boom toimii sillä että täällä on ihmisiä.
Oh, nice.
Hopefully. Or it's been like debug run. Or it was working, yeah, it was the only like one null ref. Oh, let's try again. UJVG, and anyone who has any kind of character skin is good for the testing. I'm gonna trust Art if Art joins. Okay, but you don't have name. Interesting. Is someone that... Joo, hyvä viikonloppu. Don't have a name. That's just mysterious. I guess name is not like, well, I'm gonna call you Cube in that case. The cool Cube. Okay, let's, yeah, look at this, no null refs. So we fixed the issue. Oh my god. And now I can even commit the changes if I want to the server. I'm gonna do it in the end. I don't want to waste time on that. I guess we are ready for the next thing. Let's let's see if we get one more people join. We can do this like just 3 of us as well. And I can show you the settings here. Like the settings is something like you would assume working from like Among Us. So when I change the settings changes go live for all the players, so we can feel like what works, what doesn't. There's also cam size. What was the first one? I want to keep it in the like. Yeah, hello, who from? Oh, who from needs to work the penguin. I know the. Whoa, nice. Well played. Do we have well played here? Oh yeah, I do. Nice. But already I noticed when I was kind of testing this game, I wanted more features, or I maybe should add some ability to maybe make your own text emotes and use those. And the ping is of course fun. Even though some people think this is spamming, I think this is communication. And this is something else. Yeah, I just wish I got the audio on, because I can't have the same experience as you guys. But I remember when I tested this worked so that you kind of can hear is the pings coming, or are the shouts coming from your left side or right side, which can be like used for. Okay, the cube got back to cube. Nice. Yeah, and the settings, I'm the only one who can access them, or the host can access the settings. Then there's this additional thing that I'm gonna show maybe after the experience. I'm gonna keep this. I think these were the defaults. I used to also add a default button, maybe to see that I get the defaults. Oh, something is happening here. What is that? The cube, it might be breaking stuff or doing something interesting. I don't know what's happening with cube. Or cube might have. Oh, now I got it. This is maybe related to the speed, because I was changing it. And let's move again. Can anyone else do that weird thing that cube is doing? Or yeah, the cube is doing. Oh yeah, some of you have that button here. That's why. I see. I'm gonna remove it. But still, the people who had the button in there, I think they had the older version. So somehow they still got in. Oh, that's right. The cube. Go, if possible, at some... Or no. People can change it from their settings. Not just me, I assume. But you cannot activate it. Only host can activate it. Good. That's good. You can like try to touch the store. When I touch the door, I also get the start experience, and you should be getting like nothing. But I should see the like door shaking if someone shakes it. Can someone shake the door? Cube, shake the door. Yes, I can see the door shaking. Nice. That was an important feature as well. Okay. Hey, we have 5 people. I guess we could like run through that thing. Can we vote somehow? No, not in here. I'm just gonna go for it. Start the experience. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. Oh, we are here. Oh, the thing is on still. Well, I'm not gonna touch it. Okay, AM is already getting the skulls. I should have added more skulls or something. Okay, who from is stealing the skulls? Interesting. Art got the skull. I'm gonna maybe look around, but I'm not gonna show. Okay, AM is probably working on a 3rd skull, because that is a thing that Kieseli made. We cannot see it from outside. We can only see person. That is kind of like close to the format of Among Us task, that you can see someone standing there and maybe they're doing the task. You can. Whoa, skull. Yeah, that's definitely nice. Okay, we got them all. Let's do it. Art, are you ready? Oh no! No! But hey, it's happening. It ate the skulls. I'm gonna check the null ref, but let's see how far we get. Yeah, we got in. We got in. Yep. That's a cosmic cat, and we're getting more null refs. Okay, this is gonna be a lot of debugging, and I didn't make any way to actually clean up the screen. So now, wherever we walk, it's gonna be dark forever. So make your art. That looks like a face. I'm gonna go around it. One thing that I could have added is that each step makes the ground darker. That might be an interesting way to keep on going, more than just making it once. Okay, nice. Yeah, okay, let's get the one that is happening multiple times. Or no, I need to start with the first one. I'm gonna keep the game on. Damn, this is gonna be hard finding the first one with this many debugs. Oof. Yeah, okay, let's remove those. And the first one was from the grabbable. So this first skull gave us an error. So this was from the skull experience. And we can see the error happened again and again and again and again. So I assume like something in the very beginning or whenever you grab something gives error. Let's go check it out. Grabbable line 85. Take us there. If grabbing player is local player. Oh, so yeah, I assume the grabbing player is null. So let's make a comparison. If so we can assume if grabbing player is not. No, I have the insert on accidentally. Horrible button. So if grabbing player is not null, and then we can continue. So if this is null, it's not gonna even check the at thing. So we will get rid of the null issue. Is this referred? Okay, and here it's just set back to null. Weird that I don't have the null check here. Have I tested this at all? What kind of bugs do I leave in the game? But hey, now I'm feeling positive that that's working. Okay, Unity crash, sorry. I guess too many debugs. So time to clean those as well. But let's open the Unity again. Let's speed play. That's what we're gonna do. That's what debugging is all about. Going to those. Didn't even remember my layout. Back on. Host. And I made the changes, right? Yeah, it's been saved. MPIE. Okay, cube was fast. Nice. Yeah, it's gonna be speed play. Whoever. Yeah, I think it's only just us. But we're gonna get another error pretty soon. I'm not getting error when picking the skull. A cube. Go get the. I know you have the settings still open. Okay, yeah, you get it. Okay, nice. I maybe should add the thing that you cannot have the settings open here, so it's not available. Thank you for showing it as well. Okay, we don't need to play that one. I think that was enough. We got to see that it's fixed. But okay, if we go to the okay, yeah, okay. Let's if you're good. Oh, you can't make it up, but oh yeah, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna start this again, but next time let's leave the portal open. So that's the random portal, the dark thing that was there. I'm actually using that for debug, and it's gonna take us to a random experience. So we can use that to travel to the painting. Okay, you were fast, nice. But we don't need to play this one when we go debugging the painting thing. But let's see, do we get there? What was the first point where that happened? Okay. No null refs. Seems pretty good. I'm gonna open the console just to see. Are we getting anything? Yeah, we're still getting the. Okay, so it's giving the. Yeah, it's just giving me the messages that it's sending data. That's good. That's how it should be. Cube, move a little bit. So that I just know that it's still on. Yeah, okay, good. Nice, perfect. So hey, we fixed the game. Woo. Let's go invite more people and let's go through random portal next time. So do I have disconnect button? I don't have disconnect button yet, so I need to just quit the game and open it again. So I could make a to-do list as well. So if I end up like adding, let's get text. Notepad is good. I'm gonna leave it with question mark. How important is it really? Okay. Chat ZEP. Yeah, AM was fast. Nice. Cool. And where do I get this one? Oh my god. Here. Found a bug if you have settings. Fantastic. Okay, it was Chibi Seidan. Yeah, the cube had this Chibi Seidan vibe. I was like thinking about it. Well, isn't like the story also, because it was from event, the cube. Is it made by the cube? Or is it cube made by this Chibi Seidan, the one where it was inspired from? Can I get a yes for that? Because I remember it would be. Well, it's maybe for now. I did make yes, haha, and it's cool. Also, the Chibi Seidan Discord icon is pretty cool as well. No. So Chibi Seidan has like two characters that really look like Chibi Seidan in the game: the cube and the. I think it's just Chibi Seidan. I don't know if I can show it. There's like 7 different characters, and it's speaking by random. Okay, maybe I'm taking one of the OGs. Dino boy. Good luck. Yeah, I should think about making the custom emotes. Of course, that's one of those features that is definitely gonna get some flag from at some point, because you can make stuff in there, but I don't think you can do anything really harmful by making an emote, even if it would say it like well, we just add then like same kind of list that we have in game names, that there's like some root names that you can't use, but in general. And I can also add the mute, so you can mute players, so that should be fair, everyone, and we could still have that, because I definitely want to see what kind of an emotes would you make. Okay, bye. Like these are sets that we had in Boomslingers that worked really well with Boomslingers, but I don't know in this experience what makes the most sense. Let's try to get the painting, and yeah, I'm gonna use the random portal. So when I touch the random portal, it just takes us to a random experience. Oh, we got here. AM was at the top somehow. AM had his phone probably closed, so like the teleportation of the characters, it's reliant from every avatar or every player, I think so. Keep an eye on AM's character, and AM, if you hear somehow, try to get back. Oh, it disconnected. Oh, so yeah, that's another one, and that's more probable. So maybe when you open the game, it's yeah. Now it's all messy already again. So this would make sense to have maybe more options to clean this up, or make more rules that you could like paint something darker and darker. This is built upon like my pixel paint thing. So I guess it would be easier for me to think about this as maybe making way to erase stuff painted here or add more colors. So I'm gonna put that on a to-do list as well. More colors / eraser to Cosmo Planet. One really Boomslingers way of like erasing stuff would be bombs, and we could like test out this crapping feature as well. With that, is that maybe there was a bomb box, and if you went there and touched the box, it would give you a bomb, and wherever the bomb goes, when it explodes, it's gonna like clear out the space where it was. No. Art doesn't like it. No. We have yes. Okay, we have yes as well. Good. Okay. No, yes. I think I'm gonna. Well, you can add more ideas if you want, but you need to write them maybe in YouTube comments. But based on these, I'm gonna think this is more important than disconnect button for me at least, or more interesting at least. And maybe making the bomb box. Because I get to also think about how I have built the stuff and maybe see what there is. And I have 55 minutes of dev time. That's my plan for the day. Or I have plans, but they actually start at 7, so I'm not that hurry. But at 6, I'm gonna cut the stream for sure. Nice to have you here, and thank you everyone, Chibisaid and Art, who from... Should we go back to lobby, see if more people want to join, because they cannot join while we are in experience. That's kind of like a limitation. Oh, cool. Everyone, interesting. I thought it would like teleport all the characters into one point. Let's try this teleport feature a few more times as well, to see what is working and what is not. Okay, it's definitely taking us to the one point, but I saw people having, yeah, you can. You stole the skulls. What? No. I don't know what to think about that. And no one is able to draw now. Okay, now we got definitely some. And you're not. I'm able to draw because I didn't get the null ref error, but you other guys definitely got the null ref error. It might be related to some like skull features related to like situations like that. If someone goes and tries to take the skull from the. Oh, okay, cool. How to approach that kind of an issue? I think all the items are gonna be cleared from players' hands when experiences change, just to be sure that nothing too unexpected happens. I'm gonna at least add it in to-do list, or maybe these are nice to have. What? My caps lock. Yeah, okay. Nice to have. And I'm gonna make one for bugs. You can bring grabbables from different experiences. Fix maybe hands are cleared when traveling to new experience. Yeah, that's gonna be my approach to that fix. Okay, but I'm gonna start the game again. And I'm gonna take us just to lobby. Okay, we're gonna... Yeah, I guess it's the debug logs that crash the game. I need to remove them at some point as well. No cancel, I know I don't need to send unit. It was completely caused by me. Yeah. Unity Hub. Boom, boom. Add more themes. What was it? Add more themes. Please. I like Penguin. Well, we got all the characters from Boomslingers, so that's a pretty good, like, a starting set, I'd say. Okay, that was good to hear. So Art also reported that they can only see, like, his drawing. So each player would only see their own drawing after null ref. But I need to get the new build for you so that we can get more into that grabbable issue, because the skull was part of that grabbable issue. So yeah, also a reminder for that. Debug with new builds because might be related to or is related to grabbable. Yeah, I'm gonna leave those for future and do fun stuff here like the bomb box. Let's get the scene visible. Yeah. First, what does the box look like? I can see what assets I have in the project. Oh, I forgot my layout again. Good that I'm using default layout, so I'm not that thrown out. Doom of Boom, art, Giga Cosmo, items. Oh, yeah, I got a bomb. And bomb with these outlines, but we can only use... Okay, and let's start with actually taking an item in the game. So we have the skull. Right now the experiences are in their own prefabs. Wait. Select. Open. Now that's how it goes. And there's skull 1. So I'm gonna take skull 1 and try to turn it into a bomb. I haven't made a prefab of this, so I might do that as well. So prefabs, items, these were old items, so I think this is safe. Delete and unpack, what is that? Delete only. Yeah. Okay, nothing important. Let's take a skull and I'm gonna take it there. Let's get back here. And I'm gonna bring the skull over here. But now I'm gonna rename it. This is gonna be a razor bomb. And I'm gonna save a prefab. This is an original prefab. So this is, oops. I was pressing enter for renaming, but the rename doesn't happen from enter on Windows. Okay, so a razor bomb has to look like a bomb. So let's change the skull into whatever bomb graphics we had in the project. Well, that's just a really small one. Let's see, we need to probably adjust the pixels per unit, maybe 10. Yeah, it's visible. This is more pixel art style, or this is related to the labyrinth scene, which was something that Mikko was building. And he likes to work, at least when he made this. And I in previous projects as well, but I haven't seen all Mikko's like pixel art, because they are like something he's made to different companies, and the projects are not released yet. And I think Mikko is like likes to appreciate the, like if he has signed the NDA or something, he will not share his work. But it's really cool. But it looks choppy, like in this space at least. Okay, we have a razor bomb. Currently it has an interactable component and grabbable component, and already these should make it so that if I play the game, I should be able to grab this bomb. You will not see it, but there's the bomb. Yep. So this is a good place to start. If you would join in, you would only get error, so you don't, like, it's not really necessary. That's a really big bomb as well. You might get error so that nothing ever happens. I don't even get to see your character right now. Let's move the screen a bit. It's gonna explode. Yes. Maybe this will fit. Yeah. Okay, next we need to make something. Well, let me break it down. So if we're gonna make the boombox idea, there's definitely a boombox, which is a thing that you can interact that gives you a bomb. And with the bomb itself, it needs to have a timer and to go off. And then I will also, for the arts canvas, paint a circle space. Okay, there's tons of stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do all of this in this stream, but I'm gonna do it for a while at least. And I guess we could try Hangout next week as well, or I hope we would, because making these like things happen again and again creates this kind of nice structure, or yeah. And this is an interesting thing to like explore as well, the streaming. Okay, timer and to go off. So timer script I definitely know how to make. I also need to think, because it's web-based game, like how are things actually timed? Because if it's gonna be just a client keeping the time, and what is it gonna use for keeping the time? It's always fun to indicate some things to all the players. So if there's timer like that, I would see it beneficial that it's something that everyone can see, like at what state of the timer, what is the current state of the timer. So I guess we are aiming for that. Let's go. And you can ask if you are things that you want to know about things that I do. At some point, if I start writing code, I might just go silent and do stuff. Right now I'm thinking, where do I start my script? I have scripts folder. In the scripts folder I have all kinds of stuff. Experience manager. Inside those objects. Yeah, this is place. C# script. And this is a item timer. Let's see how it goes. And sometimes I need to think about things just staying quiet. Anyone joining the stream at those times, I hope you, well, that's the experience. I can make a sign that says thinking, and it makes more sense. Well, I know the functions, so I start with that. Start timer is a function that we're definitely gonna be doing with timer. How do I make curly brackets with windows? What? Samuli, miten mä teen aaltosulkeet Windowsilla?
Mä muistan. Se on alt ja voisin olla alt ja joku.
Yeah.
Tää on se, että niinku vaihtelee näitä.
It might be, se voi johtua myös mun niinku key-asetuksista. Yeah, it actually, no, it's Finnish keyboard. Should be.
Ja
I'm getting all the, except the curly brackets. Even though the curly brackets are, oh, there it is. Found it. Alt GR.
joo.
7 and 0. Nice. Okay, start timer is going to start the thing. Then there's definitely going to be a function for the timer, like going off. Timer finished. Ah, I used them. Yeah, that's the thing. I always go for whatever key command is on Macintosh, so that's why I didn't do the miss accidentals. And then for the timer finished, do we want to make this, okay, think about it, because there's definitely benefits for both use cases when I would have a timer for just device local based and timer for more online based. I think I'm gonna have this one. Wait, because it's also gonna matter then who's gonna set the timer on. If it's local based, and if it's online based, someone will still have to take a charge of sending the command or keeping track of. I'm gonna do the most simple one, local implementation first. So start timer. I could be as cheap as just making a timed function, which is enumerator. Timer flow. And I can say yield wait. Return new wait. It's not giving me the autofill. I wonder why is that. I will wait 2 seconds and then just say I'm finished. Oh, this is super fast and dirty, but gets us going. And for the time finished, then I should do stuff. And I guess I could leave Unity events implementation for initiating stuff after that. Yeah, why not? Or something that I usually use is also system actions, and then make an additional module that you can add to that. I'm gonna make that. as public. And when timer finishes, we're gonna check is anyone listening. It's not null. Usually when I've seen like development stuff in YouTube, they are like fast forwarded stuff. At least when it's like video of someone maybe documenting something when it's already completed. But I don't have time for editing. Streaming is easy, you can just set it on and do. And if this is part of the item, what should initiate the start timer? Let's go and add to our grabbable new features. I want to add a feature to our grabbable that keeps track or sends the signal whenever someone grabs the thing. And I can use that with the item timer. I also noticed that when I code while explaining stuff, my throat gets dry. So maybe it's good that I only do stream coding once a week. I also keep lectures about creative coding in some schools. Ola came from one of those schools. And I've noticed in there as well, like when I code and talk, yeah, throat gets dry. And sorry guys, I think I lost you long time ago. Can I still get it on? Water, yes. How much logs did I miss? Some. Can I make it so that this is always on top? Manage moderators. Does anyone want mods? Yeah, nice. Do you want mods too from? I can give mods to anyone. Approved users, hidden users. Interesting. Give mod, please. Let's see, does this work? Can I just who from? No matching user. What do you mean, no matching user? These users can remove comments as well. I don't know if these even give you anything cool like things, but it would be fun you to show me like what you can do if I give them mods. Oh, sure. Nah, it's good. But why didn't I get? Can I get art? No matching users found. What does that mean? Okay, sorry, I can't give you much because I don't know. Paste the okay, no. Okay, paste your YouTube link so I can take it. Channel URL. Yeah. Who from your channel? I know you have a channel. Mods, please. I'm gonna pick whatever YouTube link I get here. I'm gonna go wild. Yo, safe here. I'm just gonna pick a link. What's going on? I'm trying to give YouTube mods to someone, but nobody wants them. Someone needs to paste their channel URL into the YouTube comments so I can add it to the mods. What happened? Where did live go? Can I go back to there? Did I close it accidentally? Now I'm confused. Oh. Yeah, okay. Very fine. I'm not gonna. Please no. What are you? Why are you teasing me like this? Or this is the wrong channel? Yeah. Hey, 5 subs. Woo! 5 subs. Let's go to 10. 10 subs. Go live. Upload video. But if you can all still see me, then we should be live. This is confusing. Yeah, it's live. Okay, I don't know what was going on. But no one's getting mods today because you didn't share the link and I don't know how to find the link. Yeah, it's live. Okay. I say it works. Shout out the new subscribers. Check it generally in Discord. Okay. Oh, I see. You cannot post links here. Maybe. That might be it. Copy link. Let's see if I have the skills to add it. Because I think I lost the place where I had the mods thing. 7. It's growing. Oh my god. Oh my god, we stopped. What's going on? How do I? Yeah, this looks promising. Where did I find it last time? In here. It was in here, right? Yeah, manage moderators. That's why I didn't find it. Look at that. Save. Who from is modding? Nice. Interesting. You cannot share links in live. But I could share links. Can someone confirm? Cannot send links here. Right? Give everyone in chat mod. Well, do we have more links? I just picked who from link random as well. So, okay, we got art. Show me what you can do. Copy link. But again, I think you can only like delete comments, so it's not fun mod. You can't really build stuff with this. Look at that. Save. And this is confusing as well when it's throwing me back to my YouTube channel instead of having the. Okay, yeah, links can be sent by participants. Okay, that's good to know. Only by owners and mods. Okay, so mods can. So okay, so there is benefits for the mods being able to share links. That's good. So good that I gave them out. Did we have more links? No, I think those were all the requests. Done. Back to coding. We have interactable and we have the grabbable. Let's check inside the grabbable. We have the on grabbed and on dropped. So I'm gonna add something that allows me to grab these also in Unity editor side and assign them to whichever direction I want, because I think item timers can be set off by more things than just the on grab, so I don't want to like code it here. Instead, it would be fun to have a Unity event for these grabbable things, so I'm gonna create that. Yes, and for this, let's make the, I think I need to use using Unity. Oh, it's not giving me the autofill. Let me try to fix this one more time as well. I think it forgot that I'm using the Visual Studio. Okay, Karma, you can still make it. Yep. preferences. External tools. Yep, it forgot it. So I'm gonna save this all and close my Unity, because when my Unity crashes, it doesn't save those things. So I want to save my set bug.
Kannattaa vaan saavuttaa Unity sillä, että se on tallennettuna välissä.
Joo, niin mä teinkin. Mut Unity Hubia tuskin tarvii. Testataan. Boom. Yep, we are back. And I'm gonna open the grabbable Unity event. It should open Visual Studio and the exact point. Yes, let's try typing. Using works. What about Unity? Oh yeah, autofill working. Unity engine events. Yep. And let's make a few public are they events. I think they are called events. On drop. Oh, I want to use the same names that I had in here. On drop, yeah, okay. I use the same names. Good, good. Grab and drop. And yep. For the erase bomb, I'm gonna give it the grabbable Unity events. Okay, but I can't see the events here yet, so they weren't events. What were they? Do I have an example? I think I should have an example of some Unity event stuff. Interactable Unity event. Yeah, let's try that. Yes, this is the thing I'm looking for. So, oh, yeah, it was Unity event. That was the only different thing in my naming. And in here it's using serialized field, which I guess would make more sense. So why not? I don't know if there's much chance. Difference with public is like then other scripts could refer these as well, but I think these are only required by editor in my use. Then we want to get, I'm going to do this in Wake, from our grabbable. Right, grabbable. I'm going to find it from this component. Be assigning the on grab function also. If there are more experienced coders in the stream, shout out in chat if you see something that I could be doing better. It's always helpful. Wait. Yeah, my grabbable has the on grabbed, so I'm gonna assign, or listen to that, assign my on grab function for that. And for on dropped, I'm gonna assign my on drop. And in these, I'm gonna actually execute these Unity events. How do you execute that? By invoke. Oh, and you got a beautiful the question mark, because I'm gonna use that as new syntax. It's doing a null check basically before doing the execution. Oh, and these should also be small letter. Maybe. Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere. Nice. So now I don't need this anymore. I just brought it here for an example. For this grabbable item, I can now assign the onGrab event to our timer. So let's bring our item timer here. So when thing is grabbed, I'm gonna call the item timers start timer. Let's go see, what was it called? Oh, it was called the start timer. It needs to be public if I wanna like be able to access it outside. Yeah. And I'm gonna do debug logs because I don't have more visuals now. Timer starts. And here, timer finish. Start timer. All right. I can save. I'm also gonna set my auto join script on. So whenever I have this auto join script, when I start the game, it doesn't take me to menu. It takes me straight to the game. So this is handy. Or straight to the game in the sense that it hosts the game for me as well. Okay. I didn't see any debug. So something is not working. Okay, let's explore. We have the bomb eraser. We have item time. We have. Okay, let's go step by step. Let's see where this happens inside the grabbable. It's happening in there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. I see no way that that wouldn't be happening. So what is it then? I'm going to be adding more debug lines. Well, I'm sure the awake is going to run for sure. Ah, wait, I need to go see what is that? Oh my god, cool. Nice. Surprise visit from Angry Plot. And anyone wondering, it's now only me and Samuli at the office. Somehow. Yeah, so we go here. Yeah, okay, let's try again. Connecting. Crap unit damage. Okay, good. We know we got that far, and I think I know where the issue is. When I start the timer, yep, this is coroutine. I actually need to call it through start coroutine instead of just calling it. And this is annoying because it doesn't give me warning or anything, it just doesn't run it because the syntax requires the start coroutine to actually be able to run it. So now we should get everything up to the timer finished. Here we are. Timer starts. And so timer finished. Okay, that was fast. Let's try it again. Timer starts. Timer finished. Yeah, about 2 seconds. Perfect. Next, we need to do more of these things. So we need the same kind of an event structure for the timer. So when the timer finished, do something, and the something is probably going to be the bomb that is going to take the message.
Ajateltiin vielä, että lean-trainissa on sen delayed call, me pystyy tekemään kanssa, jos tarvii vain yksinkertaisen timer.
Lean-twinissä?
Niin.
Niin totta, että se voisi visualisoida sillä.
Ei siis se, että siis no, siellä on ihan, että voi ajaa funktion pienellä delay suoraan.
Set delay.
Siis se ihan suoraan vaan, I think lean-twin delay call.
But I don't have lean-twin in my calls.
How?
I'm using just timer flow. Would wait for seconds.
Yeah, it's but when we have lean-twin, it's actually quite handy.
Yeah. Set delay. And I think I already did stuff. So the timer, this is done. Then bomb to go off. I guess for bomb to go off, I need to handle like removing of the object as well. Removal of the current object. Then paint the circle into the canvas. Those are what I need. And remove the current object. That is interesting. And relating to that, I can also think about how to create new object from this kind of box. Okay, I guess destroying is easier, so let's start with that. And this event, this game object, I need to prepare to handle it differently because it has the photon view and it has a network state through that. And every object that has a network state, the client assumes that all the players have the same amount of these items that have the network state, and if it doesn't match up, there's gonna be a problem. So let's do script called destroy or despawn item. I'm gonna start naming destroy and then add the additional feature that is actually gonna just use the despawning. Originally I was looking for how to have this always on top of the screen, but I didn't find any good way. Hey Art. I guess I just need to reshape my screen so that everything goes like this. This is enough screen space for me, by the way. But since I'm using a TV and standing so close by, if I just had more tools to make these fit the screens or sizes, I would be good. Okay. Destroy item. Mika, can you check the last idea in best ideas before end this stream, please? Someone made the best character idea ever and it deserves attention of the devs. Okay, I can do that. I love anime. We still have 10 minutes left. I want to see if I can. I already started the destroy item script, so maybe I want to see my bomb disappearing from the screen. Then I know that it works, or that's a good point to like call it a quits for today's debugs. What do I want to destroy? Or we're gonna start with destroy now. And I'm gonna check the, oh yeah. I could use the Unity destroy thing, but since it's a network state object, I'm gonna be using my photon Unity photon network destroy. Yep, I remembered right. And yeah, I need to give it the photon view component. So I guess I can be just quick and dirty and call it this get component. Photon view. Like that. Beautiful. Doesn't get simpler. And then I need to have my timer on finished event. Call that one. So I'm gonna make another module for item timer. I can speak Russian and Ukraine. Cool. Привет. And da. Нет. Привет. I can't read like Cyrillics. That's where I fall short. And yeah, I can't really like go far. I need to use Google Translate to be able to communicate with the language. I can't speak Russian, Ukraine. I've met one Ukrainian person. It was before this whole war thing, and I feel like I should go and meet, because we are like hosting people like escaping Ukrainian families in Finland. I should go and ask them to play Boomslingers. Come play Boomslingers with us. Or I don't know, what do we do in here? Cosmic Circus. I rarely play Boomslingers, but that's how we know each other. I can speak Frank language. Is that like France or something? Or maybe just reference, I don't know. So I'm gonna be utilizing these things. Or actually this is better. But instead it's gonna be the item timer. Yep. And oh, I also need the events. I can speak C#. Huh? Is that a language? It is. Not that I would use C# to communicate with anything else than a computer. Straightforward talking. finished. Just renaming stuff so that everything makes sense. Yep, I'm satisfied with that. Where did the bear come from? What bear? This is where I lose. I know that some are like the letters that I know of them, that many of them have like different sounds, so I can't even read this. I see that B, but this is not a B, it's something else. Give me Google Translate. So yeah, in general, if you type in Cyrillics, oh, it was Ukrainian. Assured? Okay, cool. And it sounds like,
Впевнений.
but I still don't have the audio. I'm gonna use my time next week checking out how to fix the audio. Not gonna spend time on that. Instead, I'm gonna finish this one and be on time. I'm gonna make it until 6 to the fan art time thing. I remembered. Then the destroy item, and here let's call the destroy item destroy now. Oh, it doesn't have it public. Let's set it public. Google Translator. Okay, art is commenting back. Okay, cool. Nice. I like that we can be inclusive. For me, English is the most inclusive language, or that's, well, what I have available. I can also speak Finnish, but that's gonna drop people. Destroy now. Okay. I'm gonna do more bombs here as well, so I can try it multiple times. Just duplicating the bomb. And let's go! Happy meal for happy children only. Happy meals are... I like happy meals. I don't know if I told you the story. I like... Someday wish to make... Whoa! It destroys the bomb. But there we got a... Yes! Now this is interesting, because player was still holding the bomb, so I need to fix the issue. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to bring anyone in because we're gonna get more bugs after that. I didn't even see who it was. Crappable line 48. So in here is the... Oh, what? It shouldn't even be able to reach this far, because the object doesn't exist anymore. I need to double check that. First, I'm gonna just test that I can grab the bomb and drop it and it will erase and I will not get issues. AM, no! That's it, I'm gonna go to my own server. Wait. I'm gonna change the server settings. This is the thing that I feel like I might accidentally share an ID that I don't want to share. Okay, good. App version 12. Now it's my own version. Now no one can join. Haha. I assume that Oof is from Ukraine or Russia. Or knows the languages because he can type so fluently. Drop it. Yep. It disappeared. I didn't get bug. I'm gonna try it again. Grab it. Drop it. Gone. Grab it. Drop it. Gone. Okay. Grab it. Hold it. Gone. What? Oh. I got the error when I tried doing stuff again. That's the thing. Okay. Yeah. So the error doesn't come while I'm holding it. The error comes when I try to do something else with my hand after that, because the game thinks I'm holding something, but I'm not holding it. Okay, it's 18. I'm gonna finish debugging this and just send everything. This is not Git. And then we're gonna go to the art thing, see that what's new in there. Where's my Git? Git desktop changes. Oh, I made plenty of changes. These I will not upload. This is dangerous. I'm still doing it though. Okay, what changes we made? We fixed what was the first issue? Something. Well, I can see like from logs. It was the photon player, but it was the player component related thing. Okay. Fixed things with stream and started making a bomb. Yeah, those were the changes we made today. Commit to main, push the changes. Done. Nice. And now whatever computer I go on, I can pull the changes and get the same version of the game that was saved now. Hey, now we're gonna do it. What was the channel I was supposed to check? The best ideas or just character ideas? I think it was best ideas, I hope. But there's like so much cool stuff. Are we gonna go with this? Well, this is what I'm checking now. This is like the devil emoji. It is a cool character. Like anime version. Aiming. And then having a cry face when flying. In Doom of Boom, the sprites go that in emote you go to the fly sprite, but it's not utilizing currently the aim sprite anywhere. Or is it? When it's grabbing stuff, it should go with the aim frame. That would make sense. I closed it already. But that's I'm gonna add it to to-do list. And I'm gonna save my to-do list. This is handy if I'm gonna develop here next time, but I don't, so this to-do list might not be helpful. Or maybe I will come here next time and we will continue from this next week. Doom of Boom. That's a good name. Yes. Cool. Cool stuff. I'm just gonna check it. I'm not gonna do anything else. Nice. Oh, really pretty face. Really pretty snake. Snake. Peace. Oh, whoa. These are like already all boom slingers. Super. Rain, moon, bling bling bling. I didn't realize it being a moon, but that is really clever. And I love the eye. So yeah, Rockera, that's cool. And thanks whoever is like running this like best ideas and all ideas thing, because it helps. Like there's so much content here being posted, it would take a lot of time like scroll through, and I think I missed many requests that happen like in here, unless someone pings me or I come here to check them all at once. That is really beautiful as well. It's a clay blob with a paper hat. I don't remember that we have paper hat in the game, but that would make so much sense. Paper hat would be cool. Yeah, and it's easy to like paint. Even I could take this challenge maybe someday, but I won't today. tree. That's nice. Stickman. I wonder if we're ever gonna go like this wild. Like in the early days, Kiri like trolled enough that it had the Mika character with actual like photographic Mika character in there, which was kind of funny. But I think it's been drawn back a little bit from that crazy environment, so that the realistic Mika character has been changed to these cool Yerina made like figurine characters. And this once again as well, like could stick figure make sense in Boomslinger's world, or would it be like too much off? I think it might be too much off. Or if I would make a stick figure and add it in a game, someone would get angry at this point. I think maybe, and I don't think I would. Hard to say. That's cool. This isn't best idea, so I'm gonna give it the stick man dance. Interesting. And the stick characters, I know there's like school, I know Stickman animations and Stickman games, or are they called Stickman? I'm not even sure. Back in the Flash animation days, Stickman was like genre of like really cool action. Monkey. We don't have monkey yet. Monkey is important. I haven't made Boomslinger Star Station in a long while. Like, I guess this would be more interesting if Jermo or any art person who's been making. I know Mikko has made like character art this week, past weeks. So maybe I should ping him as well. Helmet. Hammer. Tool for rebuilding one. This is clever. I think Worms had this as well in some formats. But I also remember that it wasn't that, or I didn't find it that funny in Worms. But it was common in long Worms matches to like start like building these blocks to keep your safe. And I feel like Boomslingers is too, well, that's an idea. I don't know how it would work, and it's an interesting idea. A rock, bouncy rock. True, we don't have a weapon like this. There are some that kind of bounce around, like the Lotus and the Lantern, but one that would make explosion every time. And oh, this would be painful if you dropped it in a like small place where it can bounce from wall to wall, and it's going to be like 10 explosions at one, which would be also fun. Cool. This is cool stuff, guys. I'm not gonna touch Boomslingers today, or I haven't like prepared time for this kind of stuff. But having this here, I think these are definitely the best ideas. And sorry for all the ideas that I'm missing, since I'm just going through the best ideas channel. Okay, we are 10 minutes past the official stream times. I think this is the time to call it a quits. If there was... Oh, what? Who found this one? Who found this? Because I know this. I made this art. But what does it do here? It's so old. Samuel, are you still watching the stream?
Yeah.
This one, do you remember this?
Yeah. Sort of.
Exactly. It's never been implemented. How is it here? And it's like something I just, when I early days made random graphics. Wow. Well, mystery. Now it's back as an idea from the 24 frames. I wonder if he actually collected these pictures from somewhere. But that's actually, like, I know this big is made by me. Battery. This is clever as well. Ah, these are all good. I need to stop at some point. And hey, yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna give it the tips. Like, this has cool stuff visually and also like plenty of like lore. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on my own schedule and close this one now and prepare closing the stream. It was fun. Thanks for all the like a great start for the channel. How many subs did we get? Do we still have 8? Oh, 7. No, someone unsubscribed. No. Well, 7. That's amazing. Oh, cool stuff. I'm gonna start competing with the view count or the sub count with the Boomslingers channel. Maybe. Who knows? We don't know what the Cosmic Circle channel is gonna be anyways. But for now, it's just a space to explore. Like Doom of Boom and everything. Okay. Here we are. Did you read the special map effects too? I don't know if I read them all. I think that was something that I kind of scrolled through, and I know there's a portal in there. 7. Okay. Goodbye. See you next week. Maybe Thursday or Friday. Or maybe we explore more time frames. This makes sense because this is the time that, well, today it was the time that I came to office. But usually this is when most people are accessible, and if we do streams with Kiisseli, like this time frame made most sense. And I think Sarah is doing streams also around this time, or 3 or something like that. Okay, bye, see ya. Do I know? I want to say... Oh, but I can't listen to it, god damn it. I was trying to find what was the goodbye in Ukrainian or Russian, but I can't. Bye.